Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Leica Q4, the latest iteration in Leica's legendary Q series. Known for their superb image quality and exceptional build, the Leica Q series has always set a high bar for compact cameras. But what makes the Q4 stand out from its predecessors? Let's find out. As we start our deep dive into the Leica Q4, let's begin with a sleek overview of its design. The Q4 maintains the minimalist elegance that Leica is renowned for. Its robust, weather-sealed body is built from a high-quality magnesium alloy, giving it a solid, professional feel without adding unnecessary bulk. The camera's black leatherette finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during long shooting sessions. The Leica Q4 is powered by a new, high-resolution 47.3 megapixel full-frame sensor. This advancement in sensor technology promises stunning detail and vibrant colors. In addition, the Q4 features an updated Maestro 4 image processor that significantly enhances processing speeds and low-light performance. The camera's ISO range has also been expanded, allowing photographers to capture clear images even in challenging lighting conditions. Another notable upgrade is the lens. The Q4 is equipped with a Summilux 28mm f1.7 AH lens, renowned for its exceptional sharpness and minimal chromatic aberrations. This lens is perfect for street photography, portraits, and landscape shots, providing excellent bokeh and clarity. Let's talk about user experience. The Leica Q4 comes with an improved electronic viewfinder, EVF, with a 5.76 million dot resolution, offering bright and detailed previews of your shots. The rear touchscreen LCD is also upgraded with a 3.2-inch display that is both sharp and responsive, allowing for intuitive touch controls and quick access to settings. The autofocus system has been enhanced with a new phase detection system that delivers fast and accurate focusing. This system is especially useful for capturing moving subjects, making the Q4 an excellent choice for action shots or dynamic street photography. Now, let's take a look at some sample footage and images captured with the Leica Q4. You'll notice the exceptional sharpness and color accuracy in each shot. The camera's ability to handle complex lighting scenarios and produce consistent results is truly impressive. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light environments, the Q4 delivers outstanding performance. To put the Leica Q4 into perspective, let's briefly compare it with its predecessor, the Leica Q3. While the Q3 was already a formidable camera, the Q4's upgrades in resolution, processing power, and autofocus make it a significant leap forward. If you're considering an upgrade or entering the world of Leica for the first time, the Q4 offers a compelling package that combines high performance with classic design. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the Leica Q4. This camera brings together impressive technological advancements with the timeless quality that Leica is known for. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Q4, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Leica Q4, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.